In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily mask and track with Davinci Resolve 18. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your post-production skills, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to seamlessly add and track masks, enhancing your video editing projects with precision. First, you'll want to make sure you have Davinci Resolve open on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official Blackmagic Design website to download and install the latest version. Once you have the application up and running, you'll be greeted with the Project Manager screen. Here, you can either create a new project or select one you've been working on. For our purposes, click on the project that suits your needs or start a new one by clicking on the relevant option. With your project ready, navigate to the color page. This is where all the magic happens. The color page in Davinci Resolve is a powerhouse for not only color grading, but also adding and refining masks for your footage. You'll notice a variety of tools at your disposal designed to give you full control over your visual storytelling. Now it's time to add and track your mask. Look for the mask tool in the palette of options provided. Once selected, you'll draw the mask shape around the object or area you wish to isolate. This step is crucial for those looking to perform tasks like color corrections on specific parts of your footage or even special effects. After creating your mask, you'll need to track it across your clips. This ensures the mask follows the movement within the scene. Simply engage the tracking feature and let Davinci Resolve do the heavy lifting. It will analyze the movement in your footage, adjusting the mask to maintain accuracy throughout the timeline. Next, head over to the media pool where you'll need to import any additional media necessary for your project. Click on the Import Media button located in the interface. This function enables you to bring external files into your project effortlessly. Once the file browser window opens, navigate to the location where your MP4 files are saved and select the footage you want to incorporate. With your media imported, you are now ready to continue further editing or just marvel at the seamless tracking you've implemented. And there you have it, you've just learned how to easily mask and track with Davinci Resolve 18. These steps not only enhance the quality and professionalism of your videos, but also expand your creative capabilities, allowing you to breathe life into every frame. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting within Davinci Resolve to discover even more powerful tools and techniques. Happy editing!